full part-time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1967 Dodge Coronet RT. Nice looking two-door hardtop. This vehicle would have came from Dodge back in 1967 in medium turquoise metallic, would be K paint code, with white vinyl interior, which is the way this one still looks today. So very similar to the appearance it would have been coming off the showroom floor in 1967. Obviously the weld wheels are an aftermarket wheel that has been added since. Era correct 440, 375 horse underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 727 automatic transmission. I believe that'd be a 3-speed automatic trans. Paint on this car, a little over a year old, and it shows well. Take a look at this front grille, bumper, trim work. Let you take a peek at that up close. Of course, there's probably around 100 pictures of this car online. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. The interior pics, underside pics, engine bay. Let's go ahead and look down the passenger side of this car. Pretty free of nicks, dings, or scratches. I haven't really noticed much on this, but again, paint is a little over a year old, so fresher paint should show as nice as it does. Mentioned that white vinyl interior, center console. This is a factory AC car, by the way. AC components all seem to be there. Have not had it blow cold. May need to be charged. A little TLC to that. Power steering, power brakes. It's a nicely equipped car. We're going to fire it up so you can hear it. Check out the interior. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation of this vehicle. It may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at this rear bumper. Cool how they kind of have the tail lights hit away in the what would look like the rear fascia, but there's lights behind that on each side. This is a true RT. Remember, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. You'll be able to check out that data tag, decode it, check out the VIN. It's going to tell you a lot of things off of that. For instance, this car was ordered with that white vinyl interior, buckets, and a console. 26-inch radiator. True AC car, tinted windows. Should say tinted window, windshield. All of that is going to show up on the data tag. And again, look up and down the driver's side of this. You can see straight car. Really free of much of anything for nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find one minor one here or there. I mean, it has been driven, but it is fresher paint. All right, let's check out this interior. All right, door panels, Coronet RT insignia on the door panel. Carpeting, vinyl, all nice in this car. This is not stained or anything. It's a shadow from the steering wheel. That's the way the lights are. Rear seat also in nice shape, as well as the headliner. Stock looking dash with the exception of a JVC CD player, AM/FM radio. And I'm going to show you something else as far as starting. This would be a little bit different. FYI, wipers work. Did have those going. Go ahead and fire this up. Now, something you want to know when you start this car. This right here, pull it out, and then you're able to turn the key and it will fire. That's actually engages the ignition. So it will start. JVC stereo does work. Center console mounted tack. Couple aftermarket gauges down there for temperature, oil pressure. I did notice the gas gauge appears to work up here. Dash, also in nice shape. Automatic shifter on the floor. Nice interior. Horn works as well as the wipers. All right, got her warmed up a little bit. Slip around to the back. Be able to hear this. Listen to that 440. Nice deep rumble to it. This car will definitely turn some heads. Looks and sound. Great one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Be a fun one to take down the road. All right, I'm gonna pop the hood, pause this a second, and we'll check out that engine bay, see how it looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Looking pretty stock under here. Like I said, error correct 440 paired up with a 727 automatic transmission. Chrome valve covers. As you can see, factory AC car, power steering, power brakes. Smooth runner, sounds good. With Mopar horsepower, 375, I believe these were rated back in '67. Dodge Coronet RT 1967 variety. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
You like this video? Hit the red subscribe button down below to really help our channel out, and you'll stay up to date on all future videos.